Good morning. Today is our trip. I am so happy. Where is my backpack? Homework. English notebook. Water bottle. Everything is ready.
Good morning, Lola.
Good morning, Mom.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Eat your breakfast.
Thank you.
Do you have your passport? Passport?
Here it is.
Very good.
Very good. Keep it safe.
I will.
We should leave now. Let's go.
Are you excited?
Yes! I love airports.
The trip starts now. Oh, traffic looks busy. Many cars today.
Stay calm.
Will we be late?
I think we're okay.
We have time.
Look! The airport! The airport! Wow! It is beautiful.
Stay close.
Let's go inside.
What is that?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Your passports, please. Here you are.
Thank you.
One moment.
My boarding pass. I cannot find it.
Check again.
Don't worry.
Take your time.
Where is it? Wait, what is this? I found paper.
Is it yours?
No.
Look again. Take your time.
Maybe here? A small pocket.
Good job.
Open it.
Okay. I feel something. I found it!
Wonderful.
Great job.
Excellent.
Thank you.
One more step. Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I have it now.
Have a nice trip.
Next, security.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please place your bag here.
My backpack?
Yes, please. Everything is okay. Please open your backpack.
This is your water bottle?
Yes.
Please empty it.
Oh, I understand.
Good listening.
What next?
Please open your backpack.
Okay,
Stay calm. Everything is fine.
here it is.
Please walk forward.
Okay,
You are doing well. Great job.
thank you.
Now, let's find our gate.
Where is gate 5?
Let's look.
Follow the signs.
I see blue signs.
Good eyes.
Which way?
Read the sign.
Gate 5.
Which arrow?
Left.
Excellent.
Look! This is fun!
Stand carefully.
Hold the rail.
Okay,
Let's keep walking.
Are you hungry?
a little.
We have time.
The airport is big.
Yes, it is. Attention, please. Attention, please. Gate 5. Boarding soon.
That is our gate.
Let's go! Wait, Dad, where is Mom?
Stay with me. Let's look.
Okay. Is that Mom?
I am here.
Mom!
We found you.
I bought tissues.
I was worried.
Passport?
Yes?
Boarding pass?
Here.
Everything is ready.
Attention passengers.
Boarding soon.
I see our plane.
Almost. Stay close.
I will.
Next family, please. Boarding pass, please.
Here you are. Thank you.
Well done.
We are proud.
Thank you. Wow, let's go inside. The plane is big.
Yes, it is.
We are almost inside.
I am excited. Look outside.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Chenu, thank you.
Enjoy your flight. Your seats are this way.
Row 12.
I see it.
These are our seats.
Great. Can I sit there? Thank you.
You are welcome.
Look outside.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
Wow!
We are flying.
Look outside.
Side, so beautiful! The clouds! What? I am happy. I learned a lot today.
You did well.
We are proud.
Thank you. I used English.
Excellent.
One more look.
Many adventures await.
I cannot wait!
Welcome aboard. Our adventure has just begun.
Hello.
Hello.
Would you like juice?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Very polite.
Excellent English.
Thank you. Look! I learned many things.
Like what?
Stay calm.
Stay calm.
Ask for help?
Very good. What else? You spoke English.
Yes.
Very well. I feel confident.
Keep learning.
Our trip is just airport.
Good.
Passport.
Excellent.
Help.
Very good. One last question. What did you learn?
Stay calm.
Yes.
Ask for help.
Very good.
Keep smiling. Can you Thank you for watching. Keep learning English.
Practice every day.
See you next time.